How much should you actually spend on a car amplifier? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Scar Audio RP12001D. First up, we have the Scar Audio RP12001D Monoblock Class D MOSFET amplifier. What really caught my eye was its robust 1200 watts RMS power at just 1 ohm, which is impressive for a product in this price range. If you're looking to seriously boost your bass, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The RP12001D offers a frequency response of 20 Hz to 250 Hz, which means you'll hear those deep, rumbling bass notes clearly without distortion. The built-in bass EQ switch allows you to boost your bass by an extra 6 or 12 dB at 45 Hz, tailoring the sound to fit your preference perfectly. Plus, with 4-way protection circuitry, you can feel secure knowing that your investment is safeguarded against overheating or short circuits. Now, some people complained about the lack of a detailed user manual. Here's the thing though, if you're a bit tech-savvy or willing to watch a few setup videos, you'll have no issues getting this baby up and running. This amplifier is perfect for you if you want powerful, thumping bass and have a subwoofer system. Skip this one if you prefer a more balanced sound without heavy bass, as it is primarily designed for bass enthusiasts. Now, if the RP12001D's manual issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CT Sounds CT1001D. Next, we've got the CT Sounds CT1001D Compact Class D Monoblock Amplifier. Priced at around $202, this amplifier stands out for its compact design that doesn't compromise on power. If you need something powerful yet space-efficient, give this one a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed to handle low frequencies effortlessly, ensuring that even at high volumes, the sound remains clean and clear without distortion. Plus, its high-efficiency design ensures minimal battery drain, which is great for anyone concerned about their vehicle's electrical system. Now, some users mention that the remote gain control could be a bit finicky. But honestly, once you find that sweet spot, it's a breeze to use. This amp is perfect for you if you have space constraints but still want powerful sound. Skip this one if you're after multiple channels for a full surround setup, as it's strictly a monoblock amplifier. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for multi-channel audio. Product number 3, Timpano TPT504. Coming up next is the Timpano TPT504, a small 4-channel amplifier priced at about $79.62. Honestly, its compact size really caught my attention. If you're looking for something that fits tight spaces but delivers solid sound, this could be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With an 87% efficiency rate, you won't drain your battery, making it perfect for daily drivers. The bridging capability means you can combine channels to boost power, giving you flexibility depending on your speaker setup. Some users have reported that the sound can get a little muddy at higher volumes. Here's the thing though, this amp shines in smaller applications. For a compact system, it does a fantastic job. This amplifier is perfect for you if you want a small but powerful option for your car. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-output system, as it may not deliver the same punch as larger models. Now, if the Timpano's volume concerns you, the next product is built for high efficiency. Product number 4, Orion Cobalt CBA25004. Next on the list is the Orion Cobalt Series CBA25004, a high-efficiency 4-channel amplifier priced at about $151.59. What really stands out is its ability to handle 2,500 watts. If you want something that can power your entire sound system, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its adjustable bass boost and crossover features give you control over your sound, letting you customize it to fit your style perfectly. Now, some users have pointed out that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with amplifiers. But honestly, once you get it set up, the performance is very rewarding. This amp is perfect for you if you want a powerful solution for full-range audio systems. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight and compact option, as it's designed to deliver serious power. Alright, that was a powerhouse option. But the final product on our list could be the perfect mix of size and performance. Product number 5, CT Sounds CT15001D. Last but not least, we have the CT Sounds CT15001D, a compact Class D monoblock amplifier. Priced at around $252.74, it packs a serious punch with 1500 watts RMS. If you're after a high-efficiency amplifier that can fit just about anywhere, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its frequency response from 0 to 328 Hz ensures you hear the full range of bass frequencies. The compact design makes it easy to install in tight spaces, and the 4-way protection circuitry adds an extra layer of security so you know your equipment is safe. Now, some users reported issues with the heat management during heavy use. Here's the thing, though, if you're using it within its limits, it should perform well without getting too hot. This amplifier is perfect for you if you want a powerful option that doesn't take up much space. Skip this one if you need multiple channels or are looking for something more budget-friendly. Now, let's wrap this up and compare these solid options. So to recap, we've covered the Scar Audio RP12001D for serious bass lovers, the CT Sounds CT1001D for compact power, the Timpano TPT504 for small spaces, the Orion Cobalt CBA25004 for high efficiency, and the CT Sounds CT15001D for a balance of size and power. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what you value most in your sound system.